Hi, this is Mother Nest, your AI powered pregnancy companion. Let me quickly walk you through the platform. So, Mother Nest provides personalized week by week pregnancy guidance. It supports multiple languages and voice interactions. It's designed to make pregnancy care simple and accessible. So, let's go with login first. So, you can get started instantly using try as a guest feature. You no need to sign up, or you can create account for more personalized experience. So I have already created some accounts here, so I go directly login from here. So this is my account. So dashboard overview, this is the main dashboard where all your insights are available in one piece. Pregnancy week tracker, trimster info, baby size visualization, weekly tips, quick insight panel, AI chat features, weekly journals, health insights, recent charts activity, accessibility features, closing, etc. So let's go through the features first. So the first feature is uh, pregnancy week tracker. So here we have this dashboard where you can directly track your pregnancy, like your weeks, your trimester, second trimester, your baby size, expected baby size, next tips, AI chatbot, weekly journal, health insights. So when you go on the AI chatbot, here you directly ask questions to AI. Also you get tips here, like today's tip, what tips should you follow today in your weeks. So here your weekly, so currently you chosen week 20 for the female, for the mother. So her week 20 is ongoing. So what baby development is going to happen, health tips she should be taken, what to watch for, daily checking also is there, how she is feeling daily, like good. So it will suggest you or give you warm encouraging message and simple links for feeling great. Like you can see here, when I selected good, it gives me some explanation what you can do, when to seek help, and etc. Also you can access the chatbot, like common symptoms in 20th week. So it will take some time to think and will give you some common symptoms, like yeah, at 20 weeks many common symptoms, what she can do and what to seek help. So this is a chatbot. Also we uh, we keep weekly journal, health insights, and AI chatbot. Also they have a weekly journal. They took as a trimester, like first trimester, womb size, then baby size, second trimester, etc, etc. Like when you select in trimester, let's check the seventh trimester, it will give like it comes in week 13 to 28, risk level, explanation, and what care should or he should or she taken. So other is health insight. It will track your weeks progress, how many weeks are left, and other things, will give tips on that. And here you also read your recent chats or previous chats. Also the app comes with multilingual feature, so mothers can directly change the uh, you know change the dashboard language, change the language according to her preference. Also when you go, and if mother don't wants to read the things, or she is tired, or she just want to listen about her health, so she can directly give here, like let's get translate to English. Currently we are in Hindi, so let's suggest some common symptoms. So it gives some explanation and some output to AI chatbot. And when we play this,
It's wonderful to hear you
AI
are
will
feeling good at
weeks.
7 weeks.
This is such
This
an
is such an
important
important
foundational time for
foundational
your
time for
little
your
one,
little
and
one,
it's
and it's
completely normal
completely
for your
normal for
body to
your
be
body to
sending
be
you a
sending
few
you a few signals as it gets busy building a new.
so this is the AI play, where mothers don't need to read the all things. She can directly go and play and listen what care she had been taken during these months. So this is the chatbot, and I hope you really like this. It is a multilingual chatbot which helps mother nest your pregnancy companion. So thank you.